You're watching the Subway Weight Loss Challenge, brought to you by Subway, Bailey's Powerhouse Gym, and Gainesville's new NBC9. The first 4 weeks have been full of ups and downs. With 2 contestants dropping out of the competition, the remaining 6 must try their hardest to become the biggest loser. Who will be the weight loss leader this week? Find out right now.
My friends call me Happy Spice. I hate the exercise part.
I really like Subway, so it's like a double plus.
One of the things that's going to be hard for me is I'm also a caffeine addict. I've got to drop the Coca-Colas.
I was involved in a challenge last year, and that motivates me to stay focused.
I'm a really quiet guy, I guess, but when it comes to sports, I can get really competitive and aggressive.
Hi, I'm Michelle Heatherly with Bailey's Powerhouse Gym here in Gainesville, located at 3441 West University Avenue with your health tip of the week. Commit for 30 days. Make a commitment to go every day, even just for 20 minutes, for a complete month. This will solidify the exercise habit.